Alexa, set timer for 4 minutes.
Hi.
Hi.
4 minutes. Starting now.
Starting now.
Another 4-minute special video by Kelli and David.
Right. We just really wanted to talk about these new life shakes because they're so, what are they? So
Scientifically amazing.
Absolutely. And we always have eaten the soy, but now we've got it says plant-based protein, but soy is plant-based as well. So,
Do you know what it is?
yes, it's made out of pea protein, chia seed protein, and pumpkin seed protein are the protein sources in the plant-based protein.
I like the soy.
I do too. So this is what we used for the 5-day detox, which we'll talk about later, but we use this every day. Not necessarily when we're on a weight loss program, just to replace a meal here or there, or when we do want to reduce, take off a few pounds, or a lot of pounds.
Or if you had a weekend that kind of went crazy, and Monday you just need to relax those muscles a little bit, you can have one of those. Or if you're just tired of cooking all the time, it's a nice way to take a break from cooking.
Yeah, so it's the whole package. It's got, oh my goodness, 20 grams of protein, like we said, 0 added sugar, so it is keto friendly. Probably, I don't know much about paleo, but keto friendly, people who are trying to reduce their carbs. It is cholesterol free, 6 grams of fiber, 23 vitamins and minerals, non-GMO, gluten free, dairy free, vegan, and a great source of omega-3s, to name a few.
And beyond organic.
Beyond organic.
Shaklee has organic. When something's organic, that has certain standards, but Shaklee's standards for organic are even different. If their raw ingredients are, they screen them to be organic, and if they don't, they turn them away. It's just phenomenal what they do.
And that's just a snippet of what that means. We can just, I don't know, we can prove it. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
Also, a really great point is they're low glycemic too. They're going to keep your blood sugar level, and that's such an important part of good health. Did you already talk about being clinically proven?
Yeah. Well, how about what it actually does? So when you eat these, when you eat a shake, it will satiate you.
Yeah.
It'll keep you full, feeling full through lunch, through
Which
the late afternoon.
we both
blast.
experienced, right?
Yeah.
So it helps improve your metabolism. That's a key.
Oh.
Reduces cravings, and actually because of the leucine that's in it, one of the amino acids, it helps you to hang on to muscle. You're not going to lose any muscle, even though you're greatly reducing your calories. Only 140 calories per shake. Can you show me that shaker? You can shake it up, shake it till you make it, or, I'm not going to show that, but you can shake it, but how we like to do it is don't give me that nasty look.
No, I'm very sorry.
Yes, you do that to me all the time.
I'm sorry.
So what we like to do is put it in the blender, mix it with things.
She's off script. She goes off script.
So?
No, that's fun. Go ahead.
Anyway, the sky's the limit with as you saw in a previous video, the flavor profiles. You can mix in bananas, ice, nut butters, greens. We put greens in every day.
The Shaklee, what's that Shaklee product?
Shaklee Greens Booster, or just spinach, handful of kale, berries, lemon, ginger. I mean, it goes on and on, the different combinations you can make, and
So you don't get bored,
You don't
because
get
sometimes if you try a detox or a diet and you think you get sick of these shakes, but
time's up.
time's up. So we'll wrap it up really quick. Alexa, thanks.
Of course.
Right.
So we'll just wrap it up. If you want more information, click on the links below, of course,
Yeah.
and see how it fits into your diet. You can use the Shaklee Life Healthprint to help you choose which types of products, or the 1, 2, 3. No, not that. I'm going off script now.
Yeah.
That's not working either.
Anyway, life shakes are great. Talk to us. We would love to have a phone call. How about a phone call and we could teach you more. Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Off script?
Yeah.
There's no script.
There is no script.
Obviously.